In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an editorial calendar in Trello. This is a simple, repeatable setup you can use, whether you're brand new to Trello or you're refining an existing workflow. By the end, you'll have a clear, visual system for planning ideas, tracking progress, and hitting your publish dates with confidence. Start by creating a new board and naming it Editorial Calendar. Think of this board as your production hub, the place where every piece of content begins, moves through review, and eventually lands after it goes live. Keeping everything in one board makes it easy to see your pipeline at a glance. Next, set up your lists to represent each stage of your process, arranged from left to right. Begin with ideas or backlog, a safe parking lot for future topics so nothing gets lost. Move to research or drafting, where you're actively outlining or writing. Then comes review or editing, a staging area for approvals and polishing. After that, create scheduled or ready for pieces that are complete and waiting for their publication date. Finally, use published as the destination for anything that's live. As you work, drag each card from left to right. That simple motion gives you instant clarity on what's in progress and what needs attention. To keep quality consistent, create a checklist template and attach it to your cards. Include essentials like draft complete, images added, links formatted, and SEO checked. Using a standard checklist helps you avoid last-minute surprises and ensures every piece meets the same bar. It also saves time because you can apply it to every new card instead of reinventing your process. Color code your cards with labels so you can filter fast. Use labels for content types such as blog, newsletter, Instagram, or YouTube, or for target audiences. Clear labels make scanning your board effortless, and filtering by label helps you focus when you're working on a specific channel or campaign. Finally, turn on the calendar view. Click the View drop-down near the top left of your board and select Calendar to see your content laid out by week or month. Any card with a due date will automatically appear on the correct day, which makes planning and spotting gaps incredibly straightforward. As you finalize items in Scheduled or Ready, you'll see your publishing plan take shape. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.